Hi everyone, I'm Sue. At BlockSec, I'm primarily responsible for real-time attack detection and security-related work. Ruby just walked us through the general usage of Phalcon Security and its feature modules. Now I'll take you through a hands-on demo of its core features using real-world examples. Let's start with the attack monitor. It's the most fundamental and most important monitor we have. Behind it is an attack detection engine that has been continuously iterated and maintained for over 3 years, delivering high precision and a low false positive rate. It has been battle-tested extensively in production and has helped protect over $20 million in assets. The related research has been published in top-tier security journals. The engine performs real-time analysis on all mempool and on-chain transactions, running anomaly detection and profit analysis. It then applies heuristic rules to determine whether a transaction is an attack. If it is, that transaction gets picked up by the attack monitor. If it matches the contract addresses you've pre-configured and the loss threshold, the monitor will trigger an alert and any pre-configured actions. First, let's find an example to work with. We'll open Phalcon Explorer and go to the Security Incidents section. We can pick anyone. Let's use the Yearn incident. On November 30th, 2025, Yearn Finance was exploited, resulting in losses of several $1 million. The attack transaction was extremely complex. Let's open this transaction. Find the victim contract and copy its address. Click Import Address. You can see that due to the attack, this contract's TVL has dropped to 0. Click Add, then Import. Under normal circumstances, if the address you import has a non-zero TVL, security will automatically create an attack monitor for it. In this case, though, we'll need to create one manually. Click Create Monitor. Select Attack Monitor, then Next. First, let's give it a name. Select the contract. Click Add and configure the threshold. Say 50,000. Click Save. Great. Nice and simple. The monitor is now created. Once the monitor is set up, our system will monitor the contract 24/7 in real time. To verify that the engine is configured as expected and behaving the way we want, we can use a historical attack transaction to backtest the monitor. Let's try using the test kit's backtest feature to trigger this monitor. Let's copy the transaction hash. Now click Test Kit, then Create Test Kit Transaction. The default mode is Backtest. Paste the hash. Click Run Test. Okay, let's give it a moment. Alright, you can see the backtest has completed. It triggered our pre-configured attack monitor. Let's click on it. Click on the alert details. In the alert description section, you can see that security detected this transaction caused approximately $5.6 million in losses against our pre-configured contract. In the investigation section, you can see the attacker's address, obtaining gas fees from Railgun, submitting the transaction, and the timeline of when it was detected. That wraps up the attack monitor demo.